Hey guys, James from Sikky Manufacturing. Today we're going to be doing a step-by-step install on the Sikky FD brace for the rear end. We're going to show you how to do it, what you need to use hardware-wise, and hopefully it'll make it easy for you when you do your install. Alright, so you're going to use the Sikky provided bracket that already comes with a bushing in it, 3 washers, and the Sikky spacer. Alright, next step, install the bracket that goes on the diff with the bushing facing down. Using the factory nuts, the 3 provided washers, and the spacer. Note the spacer goes on the stud to the front at the top. The 3 washers go everywhere else. Alright, now you're going to install the diff brace using the Sikky provided bolt that goes through the bushing, and then our washers that get used with the factory hardware from the rear suspension brace that you're going to remove. These are the holes that the factory hardware and the Sikky washers get used. And then obviously this is where the large bolt that we provide in the kit goes. So start it on the bushing. And you're going to start installing the other hardware. Leave everything loose for now until you get everything started. Last step, you're going to tighten the bushing bolt. Alright guys, that's a wrap on the Sikky diff brace install for the RX7. You can use this diff brace with any swap, so don't think it's just for LS. It's a great upgrade, stiffens the rear of the car up, really tightens down the differential, and it's a pretty easy install, 10-20 minutes. To get yours today, go to Sikky.com or get in touch with one of our knowledgeable sales reps.